the red and heat is in the heart and the tip. That's an excess of heat?
Yep. It says heat. Yep.
And what does that mean?
Yeah.
Well, so it means that it's, to bring balance, you're going to want to cool that heat in some way. So that's right where you start to think about, if you're an herbalist, like which herbs are going to be cooling. In Chinese medicine, we talk about how herbs enter certain channels. So some herbs enter the heart. They're specific for the heart. But you also can just learn them that way. How this herb is good for the heart, and it's a cooling herb. So that's,
But also, as we get older and our kidney energy, our water gets lower, which controls the heart, then the heart can get hotter, so it might be feeding our kidney energy.
Yeah. So this is where we get into all these, like the links of the organs and their relationships to each other, But at
there's
least
not a
you
heart
can-
specialist in Chinese medicine.
Well, at least you can say, though, that there is heat in the heart.
Yeah.
But what you're talking about is looking deeper at where's that heat coming from, or why is it there? And that's going to come through. So again, these methods, looking at the tongue, feeling the pulse, all of these things are used all together. Like we gather all of this information. You're going to, of course, get so much information by asking questions. So, but seeing this is going to lead you to think, to ask more questions about that, to dig deeper. But it's just so helpful because it can confirm things. You can say, oh, I was thinking it was this. Oh, it is this. They said this. I feel this. I'm seeing this. It's definitely this. Right? So really good. All right. So I wish we had more time, but I want to make sure we get a good amount of time with the pulse. So, all right. Everybody feel like they got a good sense there? Do you mind erasing that?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So